Hello. Today I talk about the installation of virtual machine software in the Windows 11. There are two popular virtual machine software in the world. One is called VirtualBox. VirtualBox you can download from the website virtualbox.org. Now is the VirtualBox is 70020. It's all the free. So I installed already. It's the 7.0.18, and in this virtual machine I install Windows 10 to Windows 10 operation system. Also, how other one is very popular the virtual machine software is called VMware Workstation. We can install VMware Workstation on the VirtualBox and the same laptop, the same Windows 11. Okay, now I download Windows VirtualBox 7.020 is the new one. Now I update it from the 7.018 go to the 7.020. Okay, let's start. I download already. Okay, start. So next, it's too simple. Okay, create the start menu, create short, now here, register. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Download. It's done. So you can see here is new one. Here's 7.0.20. Okay, it's download. Also, we can install is VMware Player 17.5. I install. I download already. Now let's install. Okay, click. If your laptop is computer it's very big, it have a lot of space, you can download too. Also, you can install a lot of operating system, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows XP. Okay, it's very useful. It's convenient to do some industrial automation software. Yeah, install. This is the try the VMware Workstation 17 player. If you want to use this one, you can buy this software. but the VirtualBox is free. Okay, finish. So we can try this one. It's virtual. Continue. Okay, this one is here. Create a new virtual machine. You can click here. Okay, install everything. Install, you can use the Windows 10 is the CD-ROM. Okay, you can install new one. Okay, that's very good one. Okay, thank you very much.